Okay, now I told you I want you to see everything I'm doing, and I believe it's this little Allen wrench right here. How thin it is. I mean, if I could not get this off, then I'm not going to be able to replace the cartridge. It's as simple as that. Oh, actually, it's not on that side. It's on this side right here. And this faucet is 10 years old, but look at that. It twists right off. And I'm gonna close the pop-up valve in case my little set screw falls into the sink or something. I usually take that out all the way. Okay. There's my little set screw right there. See that? Let's zoom this back out so you can kind of see that. And now I've got to pull that handle off, and I'm hoping it's just going to pop off nice and easy. Sometimes they don't. I had one the other day, and try as I might, it would not come off. And then I had the owner try it, and he popped it straight off. See, this one's doing the same thing as the other one. Shit. Oh boy. What's the trick here, Joe? I don't know what the trick is, but I've got to get this off. See, I'm struggling with it. Mercy. Okay, come on, baby. Shoot. Yes, the handle comes off. I can get it. All right. Come on. Oh, man. There's no trick here. This area here pulls straight up, and this faucet is 10 years old, and it's probably got some corrosion on it and stuff. Come on. Might have to get something and try to pry this off. Jeez. I don't know what's the problem here. Come on. Please, baby. I gotta get this off. It feels like it's coming. But, oh man. Okay. What am I gonna do now? What am I going to do to get this bugger off? Come on. Jeez. I'm getting all sweaty. I don't know how that other guy took it straight off. I was having a fit just like this. And he reached down there and grabbed it and pulled straight off. And it came right off. Boy, I've got the set screw off and everything. Whew. Okay, where's my hammer? Might be able to... Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.